There are 5 things happening in your kitchen every day that most people have never been told about.
Your kitchen habits affect your body inside more than most people realize every single day.
Our village always used clay or steel pots. My grandmother never owned a single aluminum pot. This is the first mistake. Cooking in old, scratched aluminum pots every single day. When oil turns dark and smokes like this, please do not cook in it. This is the second mistake. Heat oil gently, only until warm and golden. Never let it smoke. This small habit matters very much. Never eat food the moment it comes off the heat. Always let it rest for a few minutes first. Let your food cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Your stomach will always thank you for this patience. Reheating the same food again and again. And this is the fourth mistake I want you to remember. In our village, we always cooked fresh for every meal. Small portions made fresh every time. Never ever put hot food into plastic containers. And this is the fifth and most important mistake. Always use clay or steel to store and carry food. Our grandmothers only ever used these 2 things. These 5 things together every day is something I would never allow in my own kitchen. My mother kept the same clay pot for 40 years. She said, "A good kitchen is a healthy family." Aluminum pots, smoking oil, hot food too soon, reheating, plastic containers. Remember all 5. Subscribe to Grandma Maya every week. Simple kitchen wisdom from a very long life.